Okay, now where does this go? Oh, hey guys, it's Kaden. That's right. And today I hope you liked, and I hope you guys liked the other day's video, I've been making the greatest videos ever. That's right. So today, we're gonna be drawing the picture of the semi truck. It's one that I wish I want to drive someday, because someday I want to go to truck driver school. And today we'll be drawing the semi. And now let's get started. Well, I've got the outside done. I gotta put up its horns, and semis, they run on diesel. And I'm telling you, and when okay, well there it goes. And next we gotta shade this in. You're following along, yeah. And now so why I'm drawing a semi is that it's wish I want to drive someday. Oh, and you guys will be ready, because semis are hard to drive, and some people say, well, this is really dangerous, and that's why people have to follow the rules when they go to truck driver school. And that's why because I think my parents told me that when people go to truck driver school, they're only in school for 6 months. And that, I think it was 6 weeks. I think so. And this should be good, because you guys are gonna like this semi. And that's why and you guys will like to drive a semi someday. And now, okay, I just gotta get that part. Guys, I think most people drive semis, and it's about keeping eyes on the road all day. You see, it's about driving on the roads all day. And you can't look at electronics all day. Well, okay, I'm almost finished. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, I'm all finished. There, what do you think of the semi? And you see this is black smoke, which means you see it's diesel. Well, and remember, guys, when you go to truck driver school, you Actually, this is important. We gotta learn how to back and we gotta learn how to drive safely. Well, this is dangerous. Well, and remember, you have to follow the rules of a semi, and when you follow the rules, then you'll get to drive one if you do great. Well, that's it for tonight's video. I gotta go now. Well, I have to go to bed soon. Well, I'm gonna head on. Make sure to leave me a comment section down below and give me a thumbs up when you like it. And if you want to watch some more videos on my YouTube channel, then click the video on your screen and don't forget to subscribe.